Real estate math, plug it in. Learn fast with phase formulas. Today we're going to review a problem for Brokerage Commission. Memorize your question with your formula, and on this one you could answer 5 different questions. How much was the gross commission? How much commission did the listing agent receive? How much commission did the listing firm receive? How much commission did the selling agent receive? How much commission did the selling firm receive? So let's do a problem with Brokerage Commission. The practice problem: Carrie, the listing agent with ACE Realty, listed a home for $300,000 at a commission rate of 6%. George, a buyer agent working with Bright Realty, sold the home for the listed price. The co-op split is 50-50. If Carrie is on an in-house 50-50 split, how much does she earn and how much does her firm earn? If George is on a 70-30 in-house split, how much does he earn and how much does his firm earn? Now let's look at the formula. And you must memorize this formula, and then you must plug in and change the letters to make the formula for the buyer selling agent. First, we're going to do the seller's listing agent / firm formula. You would put LA/LF, which stands for listing agent and listing firm names. And you'd pick their names out of the problem. And today we read that Carrie and ACE firm were Carrie the listing agent, ACE firm, listing firm. And we learned that the sale price was $300,000 and the rate was 6%. And you say 300 times 6% equals $18,000 for your commission gross dollars amount. And then we learned that the co-op was 50% for both of them. So 50% for listing firm, and then times 18,000 times 50% gives you 9,000. And then we learned that the in-house listing agent and listing firm percents were 50 and 50. So you would say this answer times 50 and put it over the head of the listing agent, and this answer times the other 50 and put it over the head of the listing firm. And that's what your answer will come out for your commissions. Now, to change this for your buyer selling agent firm, all you would do for this formula would change the L's, all the L's to S's, and you would have your formula for your buyer selling agent, and you would plug in from your problem their names, the same the information for your sale price times your rate from your problem, which would be the same, and your commission, which would be the same, and then it would start changing because this would be an S, an S, an SS, S, and S for your selling agent, which is your buyer agent, and your firm. Now let's do a little bit of ones. There are numbers always in the math of real estate, and I'm going to give you some of the one numbers that will help you remember answers for your state test. Number 1, a property has how many highest and best use? Your choices would be on the exam something like this: A, several; B, 1; C, top 2; D, how many the seller wishes. And a property has how many highest and best use? Only 1. The answer is 1. The next number 1 that you need to know: an appraisal is good for how many days? A, 180; B, 30 days; C, 90 days; D, 1 day only. And the answer is 1. Again, an appraisal is good for 1 day only. Number 1 again: each broker in charge may be responsible for A, 1 or more offices; B, no more than one office, C, no more than 3 branch offices, D, no more than 12 provisional brokers, and the answer would be no more than one office. Each broker in charge may be responsible for no more than one office. And then the year, which I will give you more later on the year, the ad valorem property tax rates may be adjusted. The key word is adjusted. A, every year, B, every 4 years, C, every 2 years, D, every 8 years. Every year is your answer for the ad valorem property tax rates may be adjusted every year. Now let's give another little golden nugget for you today for 3 types of listing contracts. Seller. Write the words down, open ears, to remember the 3 types of listing contracts. Open listing is your first one. Your second one would be your EA, your exclusive agency listing, and then the third one would be ERS, exclusive right to sell listing. Now, open listing, think of an open door. All the agents that want to come in to try to sell this property can come in that open door. Plus, the seller can also sell under open listing if long as he doesn't have one of the clients or one of these agents that's trying to sell it. So you have all sellers can come, all agents can come in, and plus the seller can sell under open listing. Now, exclusive agency, you have one agent, but you also have that the seller can come in also. So it's one agent and the seller can come in and try to sell also. But then you have the exclusive right to sell. Only one agent and the seller can't come in. An exclusive agent's right to sell.